In many marriages, one spouse takes the lead on the finances. They manage the accounts, pay the bills, file taxes, and make most of the investment or budgeting decisions. That may work fine during the marriage, but when divorce happens, it can create a serious imbalance. If you've been in the dark when it comes to the money, you might be feeling overwhelmed, unsure of your rights, or worried about getting taken advantage of. The good news, the law is on your side, and there are practical steps you can take to get back on an equal footing. Here's how to start. Step 1. Gather what you can. Even if you don't know every detail, any financial information you do have access to can help. Immediately start pulling together the financial documents you have access to, including tax returns, pay stubs, bank and credit card statements, mortgage or lease documents, retirement and investment account summaries, and business records you have access to. This gives your financial and legal team a starting point to understand what's been going on and what needs to be accounted for. Step 2. Full financial disclosure is required. Florida law requires both spouses to fully disclose their financial situation during a divorce. That includes income, assets, debts, and expenses. If your spouse is hiding information or dragging their feet, your attorney can use formal discovery or subpoenas to request documents directly from banks, employers, or other institutions. The more complicated or one-sided your financial situation, the more important it is to have someone reviewing what's disclosed and flagging what might be missing. Step 3. Consider a lifestyle analysis. If your spouse's income is hard to pin down because they're self-employed, own a business, or earn bonuses or commissions, a lifestyle analysis can be useful. This involves reviewing spending patterns, account activity, and asset purchases to help determine true income and cash flow, what it costs to maintain your standard of living, and whether support or asset division is being calculated fairly. Even in modest households, this can reveal important information that helps with support negotiations or asset division. Step 4. Don't overlook asset complexity. Even if you don't consider yourself high net worth, you may have assets that need extra attention, such as 401ks, IRAs, pensions, stock options, or deferred compensation, as well as home equity, shared business interests, and inherited property or gifts. These can carry tax consequences, early withdrawal penalties, or valuation questions that affect what a fair settlement really looks like. Step 5. Build the right support team. When one spouse has handled all the finances, it can be hard to know where to start. That's where the right professionals make a difference. Together, they can help you understand your options, evaluate proposed settlements, and give you the clarity you need to make confident decisions. Other smart financial steps to take early. Change your passwords, email, banking, cloud storage, Amazon. Anything tied to your finances or communications should be updated to something your spouse doesn't know. Accumulate cash. If possible and appropriate, begin setting aside funds for legal fees and living expenses in an account solely in your name. Redirect or scan your mail. If you suspect mail could be intercepted, consider setting up a P.O. box or using USPS Informed Delivery, a free service that scans the front of each letter-sized piece of mail arriving at your address and emails you a daily preview. It's an easy way to stay aware of what's coming without relying on your physical mailbox. Check and lock your credit. Pull your credit report and monitor for any unusual activity. Consider placing a credit freeze or fraud alert with the credit bureaus if needed. These steps aren't about hiding money. They're about ensuring you have access to the resources and information you need to make informed decisions. Not being the financial spouse doesn't mean you don't have rights. It just means you need the right support to uncover the full picture and protect your interests. With the right tools and guidance, you can move forward with a clear understanding of what's yours and a plan for what comes next.